right here, Ryan Suwat.
Field goal shooting. Both teams made 9 field goals. Mas marami ng attempts yung Bataan. Mas a foul. Umiikot, pumihit.
Yeah. Well, that time, very clear.
Cross-court pass to Darang.
What a pull-up.
Off the back iron. Nabawan, the long rebound. Gary David strokes it in.
That was good call. See the stop right here. Good recovery, quick thinking. And Gary just going to his usual.
Man, the battles that those two guys went through, Mark Pingris and Gary David. Suwal drains the three.
To get you into a long closeout. You see, Chris Javier had to get past it.
Crossover, Darang gets into the paint. He will lay it in over Mark Pingris. Caballero. Pass to Lopez. Shot clock winding down. 2 seconds remaining. Raymundo will put it up and put it in just in the nick of time.
Well, this was that pass earlier over to Pamboy Raymundo. Understood he had that small time to
Caballero with another rebound. Nick will attack. He will flip it up and in. Silang lamang, 32-30.
nice shot.
Bonifacio will swish in the jumper.
No, I'm loving that.
Sazon. Caballero cutting him off. Sazon will recover and score. Stretching for the layup. Walang pumasok dun, ha?
Wala, yeah.
They are 4 out of 11 from the free throw line.
Oh my goodness.
Flores slithers in and gets the layup.
Definitely had to go on him. But once he sees a lane, he's so good at downhill.
Pamboy, pull up.
Oh, nobody forgot about him.
Checking. Now he pops out. He takes the three. Will roll out. 1 and done that time. Oh, great seal. Mike Papula with an easy picking. Bonifacio. Passing it to Pamboy Raymundo. Pulling up from free. All net. Looking for a shot this season.
Tsaka malamang ito na yung sinasabi report kanina ni Andrea na nagpapalit ng paraan ng paglaro. Ito si Coach Boyan in order to mama yung screen kaya na libre samantalang sa kabilang side. Ito naman si Hubert Cani, patented jumper from
5 seconds left. Sumalaksak si Carlo Lastimosa. Bola na agaw pa ni Goa Corva. Straight away free. Pamboy Raymundo on target. 10 seconds left sa shot clock ng Bataan. Behind by 9. Cani, runner, no. Rebound. Fought for. Supalpal, galing sa likod. Defensive stand for Bataan right now. Carlo flips it up and in. Lead up now to 11. Darang with a big jumper. And Coach Boyd Fernandez will use his final timeout with... Uy, di nakatingin si Pamboy. Darang had a good look. Just couldn't knock it down.